English 7. Hello, my name is Claudia Patricia Cubillos Vaquero. I am a student. Teacher Adriana Niño. Sweet salad recipe. Ingredients: 1 melon, 1 papaya, strawberries to taste, 1 pineapple. Two apple cheese to taste. Lettuce, 2 mangoes, 2 bananas, milk cream to taste. Preparation. In a bowl, we should add the solid ingredients and mix them with the rest. Then we add the milk cream to taste and mix. We put to the refrigerator for 15 minutes and let cool. We accompany her with rice, chicken, then guanabana juice. Ready to eat. Salad. In family, in the restaurant, in the airport, at school, in pregnancy, at work. Benefits: nutrients, calories, health, vitamins, fibers, energy. Advantages: hydration, easy preparing, versatile dish, fresh and simple. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.